objective, and use case. In this practical case, you will build a digital logic circuit that enforces a two-hand control safety mechanism. The load, simulated by an LED, will only activate when two separate push buttons are pressed simultaneously, preventing accidental operation. Why it is useful? Times industrial safety. Prevents operators from injuring their hands in hydraulic presses or cutting machines by forcing them to use both hands to start the cycle. Times dual authorization. Similar logic is used in security systems where two keys or signals are required to authorize an action, e.g., bank vaults. Times interlock systems. Ensures multiple conditions, e.g., door closed and start button pressed, are met before a machine runs.
Would you like to really get electronics, computer science, and AI without drowning in endless theory? At prometeo.blog, you learn by actually building and coding. Every week, we publish concise micro-tutorials, technical comparisons, and product overviews to help you decide what to buy and how to use it. But the real gem is our practical cases. Very detailed guides that take you from the bill of materials all the way to final validation. You'll design and test circuits with analog components like resistors, diodes, transistors, capacitors, inductors, relays, and transformers, and with digital logic like AND, OR, NOT, NAND gates, etc. You'll build projects with FPGA, Raspberry Pi, Arduino, ESP32 or Jetson, and even the UGV robot. Everything is step-by-step, exact commands, ready-to-run code, wiring guides, real electrical schematics, SPICE net lists with real simulation plots, troubleshooting guides, upgrades, and much more. All our posts are available in both Spanish and English. At the end of each article, you'll find a short quiz so you can quickly check what you've learned. You also get your own private Prometeo ChatGPT tutor, specialized in electronics, computer science, and AI, with precise knowledge of all the content on the blog. Point. If you really want to learn by doing, advancing one project at a time. Head over to prometeo.blog and get started today.